Bam, bam, bam. My goodness, that's an 8% drop in just 3 minutes. This is the Meerkat, and that was just a highlight from a trade that we had in the Grok day trading chat room this morning. I'm Mark the Meerkat, here with Grok Trade. Let's take a look at GLYC here. Here it was at opening, this yellow line right over here, and it was falling, and then came down here and it was in a symmetrical triangle, dropped out of that. Then it was in a bear flag that was pinching, dropped out of that. Then it was in another bear flag, dropped out of that. And then it was over here basing, made a little dip, and now it's doing what we call a bear pullback. If you want to know more about what a bear pullback is, just go to our site, free online, tradingeducation.com. Go up here to the free chart school right there, and we are looking for a bear pullback under the bullish formations here. Bear pullback, also known as a pullback sell. Here's what it looks like, and it was falling, starts to come back up to a line of resistance. As it starts to roll over, and now the odds are in our favor, it's going to continue down. Time to go short. If you want to read about it, you can right there, and then down below are some examples of some daily charts where it's happened before. I'm going to be using a 1-minute chart here on GLYC, and here we go. Let's see what happened next. I set an order right there, let the market come to me, and bam, there we go, and I am now short at 1147. I am short, and I'm going to use this here for my stop because I have to buy to cover at 1147 here. So at 1154 we're going to go ahead and set our stop right here. It's already down here below 1140. Let's go and let's see what happens after that. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that, that sucker just dropped there over 8% here from there all the way down to its low of day at 1066, and then snap right back up here. So it started to stall right here under the $11 amount. I went ahead here and took out half at 10.93 for 4.7% in just the first 3 minutes on the first half of the trade. Hoo-ah! And then we're going to bring our stop down here on the second half. I have to reset the number of shares that I have right here above that 1120. Let's see what happens after that. It starts to fall right back down here to this 1080 area, bouncing off of that. So I'm going to bring my stop down here just above the 8 EMA and above that $11 amount. And let's see if it's going to continue to fall. Oh, nope, it popped up here all the way to the 20 moving average. Stop me out here at 1105 for 3.6% on the second half. So let's look at this whole trade. Here we are. It had several formations were going bearish. We didn't pick up on those, and we just started watching it here. And then when it did the bear pullback, we got in, made a big bounce up here. I went ahead and took out half as it was basing under an even dollar amount, $11, hoping it would go ahead and do a bear pullback and fall again. But no, it broke out and stopped me out. So this total trade was for 4.15% in 11 minutes. Hoo-ah! Love it when that happens. This was just one of 10 trades that we had in the Grokstar trading chat room this morning. Here you go. We had 10 trades this morning. It was trade number 6 that you see on here. 4.15%. Hoo-ah! We were 7 out of 10 call trades for 70%, which exceeded our target of 60% on our success rate. We had 0 errors today, and look at this. Woohoo! We have a target of 5% per day, but we exceeded our stretch target of 10% at 10.35%. And with our model portfolio of investing $10,000 per trade, that would give us a net profit of $1,035, of course, less commissions. Whew, that was a great day. And you can join us 30 days for free. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. Right up here says a Grokstar chat room. Woohoo, there we go, right to our page. And you can read all about it here, how we set up the stocks we're going to watch every morning. And then I audibly call out all of them so you can be watching your own charts. And then you can, again, join us 30 days for free, and you can quit at any time. And it's and after that, it's only the price of about 1 commission per day. Not bad work if you can get it. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that it's much better wishing you were in a trade than being in a trade wishing you were out. Trade well.